Fine-tuning is a method to make large language models more tailored to your needs. I'm Alex. This is GIGABYTE AI Tech Support. Large language models, or LLMs, are trained with massive amounts of data to understand and generate text in human language. They have fundamental knowledge in general purpose, but usually not tailored to actual use cases. When you ask a question to an LLM, chances are it only answers incomprehensive sentences, but not really to your question. That's where the fine-tuning jumps in. Fine-tuning is to adapt an original LLM for specific tasks or use cases. It usually requires new datasets that include proprietary data with domain-specific knowledge. So the original LLM will learn new behaviors, such as customizing style, specializing skill, or addressing niche use cases. Because fine-tuning usually involves smaller datasets, it demands much less computing power than training, and is best to put to practice with a local machine. You can easily start up fine-tuning in GIGABYTE AI Top Utility. The AI Top Utility supports up to 236 billion parameter LLMs that you can choose any top-ranking model as the backbone. As to the datasets, it features memory offloading technology to distribute massive data that is traditionally managed by VRAM across system memory and even to SSDs. For those who are not familiar with optimizing methods, it includes a variety of preset strategies that are optimized for different fine-tune needs. It only takes a few clicks to run the fine-tune experiment, and you can instantly see the estimated duration of the experiment and the progress in real time. The visualized dashboard shows various hardware and training status, such as GPU usage, memory usage, training loss, and training configs. Everything can be easily achieved within the reinvented workflows and friendly graphics user interface. Most of all, it is purely local, offering absolute security and privacy for your proprietary data. I'm Alex, the AI tech support from GIGABYTE. See you next time.